This tutorial details how to share a VPN connection from one Android device, referred to as Device 1, to other devices, like Device 2, via a Wi-Fi hotspot and manual proxy configuration. This setup allows devices that connect to the hotspot to also route their traffic through the VPN, enhancing their privacy and security. Before we begin, ensure you have an Android device, Device 1, with a VPN application installed and configured, and a second device, Device 2, with Wi-Fi capability. For Device 1 configuration, first, install a VPN application from the Google Play Store, such as VPN Hotspot by MyGod. Next, ensure mobile data is enabled on Device 1, then launch your chosen VPN application and establish an active VPN connection. Now, enable the Wi-Fi hotspot feature on Device 1, typically found in Settings under Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering, and finally Wi-Fi hotspot. Navigate to the Wi-Fi hotspot settings and configure a password. For ease of entry, use a simple password. Open the VPN Applications menu, usually represented by 3 dots or lines, and locate and enable the Wi-Fi tethering or TetherLink option. Confirm that the tethering status is indicated as running or enabled within the VPN app. Crucially, note the proxy host and proxy port displayed within the VPN application's tethering settings, as this information will be required on Device 2. Now, let's configure Device 2. First, disable mobile data on Device 2, then enable its Wi-Fi. Search for available Wi-Fi networks and connect to the hotspot broadcast by Device 1, entering the password you configured earlier. Access the Wi-Fi settings for the connected network, typically found in Settings under Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Select Advanced Options or a similar menu, then set the proxy setting to Manual. Enter the proxy host address noted from Device 1 into the proxy hostname field on Device 2. Then, enter the proxy port number noted from Device 1 into the proxy port field. Save the proxy settings and confirm that the connection is established. For testing on both Device 1 and Device 2, open a web browser and navigate to a website like whatismyipaddress.com. Verify that the traffic is routed through the VPN by checking that the IP addresses on both devices are the same and correspond to the VPN server location. You can repeat these Device 2 configuration steps for any additional devices that require a VPN connection through your hotspot. By completing these steps, you will successfully share a VPN connection from one Android device to others via a Wi-Fi hotspot and manual proxy configuration.